Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yes guys, a ship has crashed in the BB Naija house. Kiddwaya and Erica broke up. Yeah. Big Brother Naija 2020 housemate Erica has ended a romantic affair with housemate Kiddwaya in the house. It would be recalled that Erica, who is caught up in a love triangle with Kiddwaya and Lecon, made it clear what she feels for each of them. Erica said, "I am mentally attracted to you, but attracted to Kiddwaya physically." She said that to Lecon. She continued, "I have decided not to overthink anything with Kiddwaya. I just want to be happy. Let's just go back to how we were, but I hate making others feel bad." However, it appears she would now want to go back to default and let things slide with no emotional attachment. According to her, in a conversation with the billionaire's son, Kiddwaya, she said, "My brain cannot handle this relationship in this house. I don't think I'm ready to handle a relationship here. Let's just go back to the way we were, just as friends," Erica said to Kiddwaya. So now they've gone back to default. They're no longer dating. They're no longer having any intimacy. So they are now friends in the house. Okay, so guys, what do you think about this breakup between Erica and Kiddwaya? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.